Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are going to make some Dahi Bhalla, which is really very easy and it's a very popular dish during the month of Ramadan. For this, first let's make the batter. I'm using half a cup of besan and half a cup of rice flour. And to this we'll be adding in some spices. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add this according to your taste. If you want, you can reduce the quantity. 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, some hing. I've used about 1/8 teaspoon, that is about 2 to 3 pinches. This is optional. If you don't want, you can avoid that. And some soda. It is about 1/8 teaspoon. Add some water and mix it well to get a pouring consistency. It shouldn't be very thin. I forgot to add in the salt, so I'm just adding a teaspoon of salt now. And add some more water. Make sure you add the water little by little because it shouldn't be too runny. It should be enough. It should be thick enough. Mix it really well. See, this is the consistency that we want. I've heated oil in a pan. See, this is the consistency that we want. It's not very thick nor is it very thin. And add spoonfuls of batter to the oil, hot oil. Fry the pakoras on medium flame because otherwise inside the centers will not be cooked. So fry these pakoras well. Till they are done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and share my videos. I have many other snacks recipes. You can check out my playlists on snacks and Ramadan recipes as well. So I'm transferring them to a paper towel and these are ready to be soaked in water for some time before we add them to the yogurt. So I've taken some water in a bowl and I'll be soaking these pakoras for some time till they become soft, about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I've used about 2 cups of yogurt and beat it well so that it's free of lumps and add it to a serving dish. And to this, add the pakoras. Just squeeze the water gently and add them to the curd. They're nice and soft. But when you soak it in the yogurt, they'll further soften. Don't worry if they're not too soft yet. Add the cooked chana. I'm adding about 1 cup. And boiled potatoes, about a cup. You can also add cucumber pieces to this. I've just added the chana and potato. You can add whatever you want. And I'm pouring some more yogurt to cover them. It's as simple as this. It hardly takes any time to make this dish. And let's sprinkle some chilli powder, some cumin powder, some chaat masala, and salt is already there in the vadas and in the masalas. So add some salt to the yogurt depending on your taste. And when you serve it in the serving bowls, you'll be adding some masalas. So make sure you taste it before the yogurt, and don't keep it too salty. So because I'm adding some black salt to this and some chaat masala, all of these have salt, so I've not added it to the yogurt. You can add it according to your taste. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try it, and let me know if you liked it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do try this recipe and send me your comments and experiences. Do hit the subscribe button and also share and give me a thumbs up if you like my video.